How to make a deposit. You're enabled to deposit funds in the Moomoo app. Please go to the Me page and tap Deposit. The first option to deposit money is by Deposit via ACH. If you haven't deposited before, please link your bank account to initiate the first depositing process. Tap Add a bank account and enter your trading password to begin. Please notice that only US bank accounts are allowed. Tap Continue to link a bank account. There are two ways you can link your bank account. The first method is the instant match. Find your bank in the bank list, then enter your credentials to log in. Next, choose the type of bank accounts you would like to link. We suggest a checking account. Once verified, your account will be linked immediately. Some of the banks may require multi-factor authentication. If you can't receive the code, please contact your bank. If you can't find your bank in the bank list, you can add it manually. Please tap Link with Account Numbers and enter your account number and ABA routing number on the page. Then you will receive 2 micro-deposits in your bank account within 2 days. Please enter the amounts you receive in the Moomoo app, and your bank account will be verified and linked. Enter the amount you would like to deposit and enter your trading password. Then tap Submit. Please ensure that there is a sufficient balance in your bank account until the funds are deducted. You will be granted instant buying power so that you can trade immediately. Please also note that the funds transfer can take about 5 business days, depending on your bank. The second option is by bank transfer. Tap Deposit via Wire on the deposit page. Please use your individual bank account, as third-party or joint accounts will not be accepted. Information of the receiving bank is presented on this page. Now you can initiate funds from your bank account via wire transfer. Don't forget to put your name and Moomoo ID into the payment detail. Please notice that fees may be charged by the banks. After you initiated funds, please tap Inform Futu. Funds will be deposited in 1 to 3 business days. We will process your deposit during business hours. Once your deposit is available, we will send you an email and an in-app notification.